Friends, hello everyone. In this issue you will see tuned Mercedes-Benz W115. How do you like the performance of the Masters? I like how this car was transformed. Anyway, let's check out the history of this model. Sedans and coupes Mercedes-Benz W115 were produced in Germany from 1968 to 1976. The cars were equipped with 4-cylinder engines. Versions with 6-cylinder indexes had the index W114. W115 is the first truly massive business-class passenger car series from the Mercedes-Benz brand. Since 1968, Daimler-Benz has positioned the series on the market as next-generation models and gave them the internal designation /8, in honor of the year the production began. Car design was developed by French designer Paul Braque. Mercedes-Benz positioned its W114 and W115 series vehicles below the S-Class models, which at the time had no such designation. During their existence cars got the German nickname Strich Acht, German slang translation of /8 at the beginning of 1976. The W115 series was replaced by the Mercedes-Benz W123 series, which represented its further development. In total, 1,919,056 cars were produced, including 1,852,008 sedans and 67,048 coupes. Designers and engineers at Daimler-Benz began planning a new business-class car series back in 1961, the year in which the mid-size Mercedes-Benz W115 just entered the market. Fritz Nallinger, Mercedes-Benz chief engineer, member of the management board and CTO of Daimler-Benz AG, was appointed as the project manager. In 1964, the first prototypes of the sedan model were presented. However, the various designs of the front of the car were still under discussion. By analogy with the differences between the old models, the new series with smaller engines should have a simpler front end with horizontally positioned rectangular headlights. Thank you for watching the video, comment and subscribe to the channel. Keep safe guys and see you soon.